Action.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, doctor.
नमस्कार
Namaskar.
नमस्कार आइए आइए वेलकम वेलकम टू कारखानिस क्लिनिक बताइए
Well, यहाँ आने से पहले actually we flip a coin. So
वो तुम्हारा आइडिया था.
we flip a coin to decide whether we want divorce or we want a child. So we landed on making a baby.
Baby. Yes.
सो यू वांट अ कस्टमाइज्ड चाइल्ड
Yes, I mean that is what your clinic said.
No, doctor. I want the organic way.
Then why are we here? We agreed to come here so that we can produce an advanced baby we want.
He must have that idea also, like organic way. Why?
सी दिस 6-year-old completed built yesterday
Wow.
12 घंटे का काम एंड इट्स completely real from the hair to the breath smells throughout the day I can customize the child's age the child's behavior exactly the way you want it
See, that's why I said.
If I want like a Hrithik Roshan. Yeah.
Hrithik Roshan, nahi. No.
Why?
no.
He's smart.
See.
Look the eye and the way he moved dance.
कैलकुलेशन आपके लिए सिंपल होगा
नहीं, दिमाग तो आइंस्टाइन जैसा और शक्ल तो जॉन एब्राहम.
सकता
Einstein,
है.
John Abraham, Hrithik Roshan. Oh, okay.
ऋतिक रोशन.
ये आपको बच्चा चाहिए जो आइंस्टाइन जैसा सोचे
Yes.
ऋतिक जैसा डांस करे
Yes.
और शरीफ तो जॉन एब्राहम जैसा.
ओके कौन से एज का चाहिए बच्चा आपको
Uh, well, I don't have much time to take care of baby. I have to take care of myself. So, I think I will go with maybe 10 years old. 10 years old.
ओके
At least 5.
बट 5 में यू हैव टू डिसाइड अगर आप लोगों की शादी टूट रही है तो देयर विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एट एज 5 मतलब एटलीस्ट आपको सोशल स्टैंडिंग में भी देयर आर लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस आर यू इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू अपब्रिंग इट इन द ट्रेडिशनल वे अगर उसका सब कुछ कस्टमाइज करना है प्रीलोड करके उसको सब नॉलेज वगैरह करना है वो भी कर सकते हैं वी कैन डू दैट एज इन वी कैन प्रीलोड द चाइल्ड बट देन you can only get 8 years onwards because
8 years old.
because at 5 that brain won't handle that
Well, I
load
don't want to do the hard work.
of raising
I mean,
a child.
I can be a good mother.
Doctor-
I don't think
Doctor,
this
I can
guy
take care.
is
No.
a good.
Yeah, I can
Dad.
take care.
So I would suggest if you can tell me your budget इस configuration में I can suggest you the best age that
What are the plans?
Yeah, you can share the like
See.
what you have.
for Hrithik John Einstein combo with Hrithik dance John body Einstein brain I can give you a 8-year-old for 1.5 CR if you want it younger we can do 6 years for 1.75 CR and the package which is most common is one from 10 years which you said madam 10 years and then the child doesn't eat the child doesn't need to be taught to make decisions the child doesn't need to learn how to defend himself herself stand up for himself herself the child is completely independent it will fed a program for parents it will be fed a program for grandparents friends family fully customized you don't have to take any decisions on its behalf just give it a roof over its head till it's legally allowed to start working that package
Wait, doctor. So
I
this
am
is kind
liking
of
that plan.
no. This is machine actually complete.
but
You are not doing at least organic way. So
we can pre-feed him human values he'll cry he or she can cry emotions सारे होंगे उसमें आज के जेन अल्फा नहीं it will be like a millennial at least If you want baby boomer वाला भी डाल सकते हैं, but that will be okay.
Millennial is perfect.
Millennial is perfect, right?